Thank you for purchasing a Confer Plastics 6000X in-pool ladder. You will need the following for installation: a utility razor, a cordless drill with a number 2 Phillips head driver bit, and a rubber mallet. Begin by removing the contents of the box and laying out the components. Snap the stringers into the bottom treads. Push till you hear the stringers snap into tread pockets. When installed correctly, the bottom tread should swivel freely. Determine the height of your pool. For pools that are between 50 and 54 inches, use the upper set of lugs. For pools that are between 42 and 48 inches, use the lower set of lugs. Place the step between the appropriate lugs. Secure the tread by driving provided screws through the lower hole on the tread. Repeat for each ladder tread on both sides. Using your utility razor, carefully remove the wedges that are attached to the sides of the platform. Set these aside, as we will be using them on a later step. Insert the platform into the handrails. Place the wedges at the bottom of each opening and tap into place using your rubber mallet. Slip the adjustable tubes through the mounting blocks such that the mounting blocks cover the protruding nubs. If needed, coat with liquid soap or lubricant to make the mounting blocks slide easier. Push the adjustable tubes and mounting blocks into the handrails. Next, install the ladder barrier kit. Fill both stringers and the ladder barrier with water to ensure that the ladder sinks. Place the ladder into the pool and tip to one side. Bubbles will emerge to the surface as the air escapes the ladder. It may take a few minutes for all of the air to leave the ladder. Once the bubbles have stopped surfacing, place the handrails over the stringers. Secure the handrails. Attach the mounting blocks to the deck. Then, secure the stringer to the handrails at the marked locations.